not a tournament player. You ever wonder what it's like at a tournament setting? It's just a room with a bunch of games. Everyone is anxiously waiting for their turn. You pay at the front for a ticket, and over there at that end. And then you get in a queue, right? Like I'm next on Jaws. I should actually get back around to that. Okay, over there. There's a lot of different formats, but usually it's streaming. And I'm recording this because the next game I'm up just so happens to be the one that's streaming, Jaws, all the way at the end. So let's do something a little meta. Let's record that. Let's record this attempt while it's streaming on the other end. Side by side. And there's a yellow line you don't step by as you get like the space. Pinball Expo 2025. It's being streamed on Fox City. We got some judges here calling out the next person in the queue. It's the last hour, so everyone's tired, exhausted. It's a real endurance. To think that's good karma. The game will be nice to the game. The game's nice to you. We're gonna plunge into that pop-up. Come on. All over the place here. Jeez. I finally got it up there. Oh my crickets. One more time. I want to get up there. I need to go to bed after that. I don't know if I should keep going for that shot because it's not being nice. Flailing like a boss right now. Getting nothing but blink for a long time. Woo. There you go. Something. Pinball. Excellent. Big stuff that are blinking. Oh, you bastard. Get up there. Get up there. What do the warnings happen? Totally missed that. Sorry. Done, you raise your hand and someone puts your score in. Hello. I got 8. I'm Anthony Crett. I got 87010 Yep. Thank you. And then your score is in. So then you immediately queue up for the next game because we're crunch time right now. So we go to the queue, you can see all the ridiculous wait times, but I have 1 game left and that's Spawn. So I'm in. And then I'm 16th. So I got a lot of time. So usually what I like to do from here, get my stuff, but for content, I'm not gonna waste time with that. I hid it under the table. I'm gonna go out here. Tournament room? Then across the way is the Expo hall. Right? So this is what I do. I'm try-hard mode. First, I high-five Flippy. I got my badge. I'm on James Bond Pro as my last game. It's 11 o'clock. I got 1 hour to get my day. I feel good about that. I have faith. This big expo hall in the last hour, so things are closing up. My mission right now is to find a James Bond Pro to practice on. And then I do that and I check my queue as it moves up. And then I get back in time so I don't miss my spot. But I'm sure I have like at least 30 minutes so I can run a game or two. It is a long playing game though. There were how many people ahead of me? Get you a ghost town tour while everything's off. Well, I mean, usually what I would do is I would go back and forth like that. I would queue up on a game, go find the game in here. Try not to get distracted by really cool stuff. Ooh. Oh, the back alley of this place. I don't want to get caught in there. Enjoying some homebrew over here. Manu's good vibes only. There's some cookie stuff. A lot of things to distract you in a good way. Pinball, Cuphead, Pokemon.
Question. But is it the only
and everything's off, but normally it's popping. I look for the game, I practice, and then go back and play. There's a Jaws 50th right there. Cover it up. We'll be back at it tomorrow. It is Thursday night, 11 p.m. The homebrew section over here. Good time. Portal. Pulp Fiction, Alice in Wonderland. Somebody. Trouble in Little China.
That was his
The only thing I couldn't find that was in the tournament lineup earlier was Jurassic Park Pro. There was a Jurassic Park Premium. So close enough, better than nothing. But I guess that's what's to blame for one of my worst scores. Predator over here. Big line for this earlier. Time, so. Legend Roger Clark just kicking it. Scenic route out, things are shutting down. Only day 2. I think it starts on Wednesday. I got here today, but that's why I didn't get through all my mulligans. Everything's off. But everything's here. This time. After Hours tour. Saw it here first. Incredible channel. Do another tour video when everything's on, I think. But it's pretty much the same, but flashier, you know. And with all the Harry Potters, the Jersey Jack section. Not played it yet. Oh, many pinball machines. Oh, I've never seen a no line for Harry Potter. Do I jump in?
Kind of come out to our. Is there a potion to get me higher into like the most?
That guy I made it.
Oh, well, yeah, Paul said.
What's up, Eric?
Hey, how you doing?
Good to see you.
See you too.
No.
Yeah.
I'll show you how.
We'll see you tomorrow. All right, man.
Are you guys really alright? Thanks, Eric.
Hey
guys.
See you tomorrow.
That's a Manu action.
Eat up. I learned that one from Eric. Bye, JC. Drop catch this. Oh, not quite.
P23K.
And we got locks.
You got a bumble lid on the staircase. Yeah.
Bye. Are there people around? I don't even know. Boom.
I'm around.
We're about to eat everything.
Here, this is our wizarding trio right here.
Yeah. They're gonna turn off on us. How am I here playing this?
They're gonna kill the power on you.
Swing by and say, hey. All right.
You own this?
Yes. Why am I playing a game that I already own?
Because you're showing me how to play it. Make it educational.
This shit is so much fun. I'm not kidding you. This shit is so much fun.
It slaps, if
Yes.
you will.
It's just fucking chef's kiss in the game.
The important question is, how well is it earning in your arcade?
It set the record right now for, Matt told me, it set the record right now for highest earnings of a game that comes in new.
Okay.
It just beat Godzilla.
Oh, snap.
A record-breaking game.
Even though Godzilla still earns steadily, maybe
Yeah.
250 every 2 weeks. This is and it is extraordinarily reliable. And those stupid coil things I put on do nothing. So I'm probably going to take them off. I fixed the thing that doesn't need to get fixed. Why am I not? David 6. Still playing.
You played 1.0 code and you put it on your game?
No, I didn't put any name on.
So you are earning pieces for the wizard mode.
Oh, seriously?
Yeah.
We're still on 7-8.
200 footage points. You're into the rank of,
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Got it.
What house are you, Manu?
Oh, well, you don't choose a house, really.
Yeah,
you
but
explore the house.
in your heart.
I don't really know. I like this
You
game.
can take the quiz?
I like this game despite the fact that I don't really know. That was just dumb. I don't really know Harry Potter, but
All right.
rule set in this.
I think you've got me on this game. We're going to shut it down.
That's it. Good night, everybody. Thank you for being part of my good night tour. See you tomorrow.
Yeah.
Thanks, Brett.
Guess I'll head back to the tournament room and end this video. I'll make it an even 20 minutes. I have 60 seconds left. Complete the showroom tour. I'll get back to the way I came in. Hi, Homer. Squad until my last James Bond game is ready.
Tomorrow.
Good night.
Good night.
Good night.
We're fighting tomorrow. You gonna get
Is it there all night?
Oh, no, you have 3 now. Oh.